Hello guys, support us and subscribe to our channel, give likes and write comments. Today we will read Love Saves World. Well, let's get started. Love is the most powerful force in the world. It has the ability to bring people together, to heal wounds, and to create a more peaceful and just society. When we love one another, we see beyond our differences and find common ground. We are more willing to listen to and understand different perspectives, and we are more likely to work together to solve problems. Love also has the power to heal individual wounds, whether they be physical or emotional. When we feel loved, we feel more secure and confident in ourselves, and we are better able to cope with difficult situations. Love also helps us to forgive and to let go of past hurts, which allows us to move forward and create a better future. In a world where there is so much conflict and division, love is more important than ever. It is a force that can bring us together and create harmony, even in the face of adversity. Love is not just a feeling, it is an action, and it is up to each and every one of us to make a conscious effort to love more. We can do this by being kind and compassionate towards others, by listening to different perspectives and trying to understand them, and by working together to solve problems. Love is also important for our own personal growth and well-being. When we love ourselves, we are more likely to take care of ourselves and to make positive choices. Love also helps us to build healthy relationships with others, which is vital for our emotional and mental well-being. In short, love truly has the power to save the world. By spreading love and compassion, we can create a more united and peaceful society, and by loving ourselves and others, we can heal our own personal wounds and become better people. So let us all strive to love more and to make love the driving force in our lives. Let us be the change we want to see in the world, and let love guide us in all our decisions and actions. Love is the key to a more peaceful and harmonious world, and it is up to us to make it happen. It's important to remember that love is not always easy. It requires patience, understanding, and sometimes sacrifice. It also requires us to be vulnerable, to open ourselves up to the possibility of hurt. But the rewards of love far outweigh any challenges we may face. One of the most powerful ways we can show love is through service. By helping others, we not only show love, but we also create a ripple effect of love and positivity in the world. Whether It's volunteering at a local charity, mentoring a child, or simply offering a kind word to a stranger. Small acts of kindness can make a big difference. Another way to spread love is through forgiveness. Holding on to anger and resentment only harms ourselves and those around us. By letting go of negative emotions and forgiving those who have hurt us, we open ourselves up to love and healing. Forgiveness is not just about the person who hurt us, it is also about ourselves. We free ourselves from carrying the burden of resentment and anger, and that allows us to move on and open our hearts to love again. Love is also about accepting and celebrating diversity. We are all unique and different, and it's important to embrace and respect those differences. By accepting and loving one another, regardless of our backgrounds or beliefs, we can create a more inclusive and harmonious society. We can learn from each other, grow and become better individuals when we learn to accept and love our differences. In conclusion, love is the most powerful force in the world. It has the power to bring people together, to heal wounds, and create a more peaceful and just society. Love is not just a feeling, it is an action, a choice we make every day. By spreading love and compassion, we can make the world a better place for ourselves and for future generations. Let us make love the guiding principle in our lives and work together to create a more loving and harmonious world. It's a choice we make every day, and it starts with ourselves by loving ourselves and then extending that love to those around us. Thank you! Learn English with us easily and fun. Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Watch new videos on our channel every day. See you soon and bye-bye.